05 uniform, speed 180.
What kind of feeling? I'm high on believing.
Chicago 7955, descend to 3000, from 0 to 2, speed minimum clean.
Outside. Minimum clean, okay. So 220 is okay. Yeah.
First time check 1022 is check. Runway 90.
Runway 18 right, check.
One right, check. Break.
Out.
Second line plane.
Carbon 024, reduced to 20.
When we're all alone, keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. What kind of feeling?
Chicago 7955, speed 170.
170
From 4 Extra Lima, just give me the best speed you can do on final. Got a jumbo 3.5 miles behind you. Doe nou best wel, 4 Extra Lima. Dank je. Contact 11828.
We are
Choose.
clear for the approach.
Yes.
11828, 4 Extra Lima. Chicago 7955 and fully established final approach speed. Departure with us, 595 to 6 and the next one. Get a 15995, climb level 130. Climb level 130 to 1595.
Deposits.
Approach, good arm, 15, 54 India, inbound sugar, flight level 0. Hello, Dream Team 05 for India, ILS 22, information Alpha, fly heading 090.
20 cents.
Dream Team 05 for India, ILS 22, heading 090. 0, ILS 22, okay, we crossed maybe twice, I guess. Fly heading east, Dream Team 05 for India, ILS 22.
20 cents.
ILS 22, Dream Team 5 for India.
Oh, sorry.
Hello 1024, turn left heading 360, reduce minimum clean. Left north, minimum clean 1724.
Check.
ECA 2 Golf November, speed 180.
154.
180, ECA 2 Golf November. EC 89 Papa Delta 12575.
Landing gear.
12575, EC 89 Papa
Down
Delta.
green.
Down green. Flex.
30
Chicago 7955, 3.5 via CRJ, contact tower 118 decimal 28 zero.
Copy. Tower 11828. Tower 11828. And
Red line 5 Echo, climb to
flex.
30 green.
Landing lights is on. Stand by landing lights. Tower is copy 7955. 40 right.
Chicago 7955, number 2.
Number 2.
Check. It's coming in just on the
Yeah. Okay, order 5.
FD.
Okay. Manual choice.
Check. It's about 3.5 miles.
Yeah, inside.
Yeah. 1,000 above, no flex, step lights.
Check. He landed, right?
Yep. He's on rollout.
Yeah, rollout. Yeah, I see him. Middle of run.
Chicago 7955, wanted right to land 3190 with 10.
500.
500.
Check. Landing clearance obtained.
Check.
So left and Victor 2.
Check. Minimum.
Checked.
Minimum.
Minimums.
Landing.
Check.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Victor 2, second to the left.
80 knots. 60 knots.
Manual brakes.
Check. Left.
Hello, 339, right. Hello, 339, hello, the wind is 190 with 9, when it right, clear to land. 180 right, hello, 339.
Okay. All clear. Left and right.
12156.
156 switching over. Down heading Singapore 7955.
Tank Cargo 7955, taxi Romeo 80, at Whiskey 5, cross runway 18 center.
Romeo 0 at Whiskey 5, cross 187. Okay.
Okay, left clear.
Alright.
Whiskey 5.
Then it.
He said with the head as well, a little bit.
Brake set.
1, 2, 4.